So today we will be discussing the question and answers of the story The Little Fir Tree. I have explained the video. If you have not seen it, then you may go back and watch it. In the little fir tree, there is a little fir tree who saves a magician in the rain. The magician grants the tree 4 wishes. The tree wishes to change its leaves 4 times, but ultimately it decides to get back its original leaves. The story teaches us to be content with whatever we have. So let us start with the exercise. Tick the correct answer. The pretty little fir tree was happy with gold leaves, but a goat came along and ate them. All the leaves got wet in the rain. A man stole them. So a goat cannot eat a metal. So the option 1 is not correct. All the leaves got wet in the rain. A rain cannot wet a metal. A man stole them. Yes, a man can steal, and gold is very expensive. So let's see the answer. The answer is option C. The next question is, the fir tree was sad because it had yellow leaves, because it had needle-like leaves, because it was very short. The tree was not sad because of its yellow leaves. It may be sad because of its needle-like leaves, and it was not sad for being very short. So the answer is option B. The next question is, the fir tree was not happy with the gold leaves because the goat came and ate them up. A man stole them. The gold leaves broke. A goat cannot be eaten by goats. A man may steal them, but the gold leaves cannot break. So the option is option B. Next we go to word building. By changing the circled word to its opposite, rewrite these sentences. One has been done for you. I carry a light bag to school every day. I carry a heavy bag to school every day. So the opposite of light is heavy. Reena won the race. The opposite of won is lost. So the sentence is, Reena lost the race. I love eating vegetables. The opposite is, I hate eating vegetables. The next question is, this glass of milk is full. The opposite of full is empty. So the opposite sentence is, this glass of milk is empty. The next question is, the old man is wise. The opposite of wise is foolish. So the answer will be, the old man is foolish. Now give the opposite of the words below by adding un or im. So let us see the answers. The opposite of happy is unhappy. The opposite of polite is impolite. The opposite of seen is unseen. The opposite of proper is improper. The opposite of lucky is unlucky. The opposite of possible is impossible. The opposite of important is unimportant. The opposite of perfect is imperfect. The opposite of healthy is unhealthy. The opposite of safe is unsafe. The opposite of patient is impatient. The opposite of pure is impure. Now let's write. Rewrite the passage below using capital letters where necessary. One Saturday afternoon, Amarjit and his little sister Rani went for a picnic to India Gate. There they saw ducks, water, and their friend Raj. The answer will be one Saturday afternoon, Amarjit and his little sister Rani went for a picnic to India Gate. There they saw ducks, water, and their friend Raj. The next question is, "Oh dear," said the fir tree, "I like my old needle-like leaves best, for goats don't eat them and no man can steal them." The answer will be, "Oh dear, apostrophe mark, close, comma," said the fir tree, comma, apostrophe mark, "I like my old needle-like leaves best, for goats don't eat them and no man can steal them." Look at the picture below. In the yellow box, there are 8 things. You can see 6 of them in the picture. You cannot see the other 2. Write down the 4 things that you can see. So we can see ducks in the lake. Then we can see a mat. Then we can see a girl. Then we can see a boy. Then we can see trees. And we can also see flowers. So the answer will be ducks, mat, girl, boy, tree, flowers. Now look at the picture and describe it. So what can we see in the picture? There is a girl and a boy sitting for a picnic. There is a pretty little lake. Ducks are swimming in the lake. Beautiful flowers have bloomed in the park. So this is what we can see in the picture given. Now, we know that glass breaks easily when it is dropped. Do you think a mud flower pot, a glass spoon, a wooden table, a plastic cup, books, or your plastic water bottle can break easily? Circle the things that can break easily. A flower pot can break easily. A cup can break. And a glass spoon can also break easily. Which of the following actions would make others happy or unhappy? The options are respecting elders, not saying thank you, being polite, playing with friends, visiting a sick friend, not sharing, watching television all day, telling lies, being greedy, caring for pets, getting angry easily, and being honest. So the answer for the actions that make other people happy are respecting elders, being polite, playing with friends, visiting a sick friend, caring for pets, and being honest. All these activities make other people happy. Actions that do not make people happy or make them unhappy are not saying thank you, not sharing, watching television all day, being greedy. So this is the end. If you liked the video, then press the like button and subscribe to my channel.